Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 10 health benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of really powerful knowledge. Low-carb diets have been controversial for decades. Some people assert that these diets raise cholesterol and cause heart disease due to their high fat content. However, in most scientific studies, low-carb diets prove their worth as healthy and beneficial. Here are 10 proven health benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets, and consume whole, nutritious, low-carb foods whenever possible. 1. Low-carb diets reduce your appetite. Hunger tends to be the worst side effect of dieting. It is one of the main reasons why many people feel miserable and eventually give up. However, low-carb eating leads to an automatic reduction in appetite. 2. Low-carb diets lead to more weight loss at first. Cutting carbs is one of the simplest and most effective ways to lose weight. Studies illustrate that people on low-carb diets lose more weight faster than those on low-fat diets, even when the latter are actively restricting calories. This is because low-carb diets act to rid excess water from your body, lowering insulin levels and leading to rapid weight loss in the first week or two. 3. A greater proportion of fat loss comes from your abdominal cavity. Not all fat in your body is the same. Where fat is stored determines how it affects your health and risk of disease. The two main types are subcutaneous fat, which is under your skin, and visceral fat, which accumulates in your abdominal cavity and is typical for most overweight men. 4. Triglycerides tend to drop drastically. Triglycerides are fat molecules that circulate in your bloodstream. It is well known that high fasting triglycerides levels in the blood after an overnight fast are a strong heart disease risk factor. 5. Increased levels of good HDL cholesterol. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, is often called the good cholesterol. The higher your levels of HDL relative to bad LDL, the lower your risk of heart disease. One of the best ways to increase good HDL levels is to eat fat, and low-carb diets include a lot of fat. 6. Reduced blood sugar and insulin levels. Low-carb and ketogenic diets can also be particularly helpful for people with diabetes and insulin resistance, which affect millions of people worldwide. Studies prove that cutting carbs lowers both blood sugar and insulin levels drastically. 7. May lower blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure, or hypertension, is a significant risk factor for many diseases, including heart disease, stroke and kidney failure. Low-carb diets are an effective way to lower blood pressure, which should reduce your risk of these diseases and help you live longer. 8. Effective against metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a condition highly associated with your risk of diabetes and heart disease. In fact, metabolic syndrome is a collection of symptoms, which include abdominal obesity, elevated blood pressure, elevated fasting blood sugar levels, high triglycerides, and low good HDL cholesterol levels. However, a low-carb diet is incredibly effective in treating all 5 of these symptoms. Under such a diet, these conditions are nearly eliminated. 9. Improved bad LDL cholesterol levels. People who have high bad LDL are much more likely to have heart attacks. However, the size of the particles is important. Smaller particles are linked to a higher risk of heart disease, while larger particles are linked to a lower risk. 10. Therapeutic for several brain disorders. Your brain needs glucose, as some parts of it can only burn this type of sugar. That's why your liver produces glucose from protein if you don't eat any carbs. Yet, a large part of your brain can also burn ketones, which are formed during starvation or when carb intake is very low. Few things are as well established in nutrition science as the immense health benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. Not only can these diets improve your cholesterol, blood pressure and blood sugar, but they also reduce your appetite, boost weight loss and lower your triglycerides. If you're curious to boost your health, one of these diets could be worth considering. And that's it for today. Now you know the benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.